Hello everyone, myself Muskan. I am a student of BSc Chemistry Honours 3rd year. My roll number is 54. Today I am going to make an audio recording lecture for visual impaired students on chapter Organometallic Compounds of Organic Chemistry by Dr. S.N. Dhawan. 2.1 Introduction. Organic compounds in which a metal atom is linked directly to a carbon atom are called organometallic compounds. A large number of metals, example lithium, sodium, magnesium, zinc, mercury, lead, cadmium, etc., from form such compounds. The organic part is generally an alkyl, alkaline, alkyl, or an aryl groups. They are named simply by addition the name of the metal to the name of the organic group linked to the metal. For example, methyl lithium, ethyl magnesium, phenyl lithium, dimethyl cadmium, and butyl lithium, diethyl zinc, diethyl mercury, tetraethyl lead. The carbon metal bond in organometallic compounds differ widely, varying from bonds which are essentially ionic to those which are largely covalent. Thus, the extent of ionic or polar character of the bond is largely determined by the electropositive nature of the metal. More electropositive the metal, more is the ionic character of the carbon metal bond. In general, the ionic character of the carbon metal bond follows the sequence: carbon potassium, carbon sodium, carbon lithium, carbon magnesium, carbon aluminium, carbon zinc, carbon cadmium, carbon mercury. The reactivity of organometallic compounds also depend upon the nature of carbon metal bond. Generally, the larger the ionic character of carbon metal bond, more reactive is the organometallic compounds. However, compounds having intermediate ionic character are of greater importance because of their lower reactivity and selective nature of their reactions. Organometallic compounds are extremely useful for the synthesis of a vast variety of organic compounds. Apart from these, many of the organometallic compounds are commercially important as well. For example, tetraethyl lead is extensively employed as an anti-knock compound. Organotin compounds are used as antioxidant in rubber product. Phenyl mercuric acetate is used as a fungicide and disinfectant, and organo arsenic compounds are used in medicines. Organomagnesium compounds, Grignard reagent. Organomagnesium halides are extremely important reagent in synthetic organic chemistry. These reagents are commonly known as Grignard reagent after the name of the discoverer, Victor Grignard, who received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1912 for this discovery. The general formula of Grignard reagent in RMGX or ARMGX, where R represent an alkyl group or AR represent any aryl group. Preparation. Grignard reagents are prepared in the laboratory by the action of an alkyl or an aryl halide or on magnesium metal in dry ether. Alkyl halide plus Mg. Reagent used dry ether. Product form RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. Methyl iodide plus Mg is equals to methyl magnesium iodide. Besides ether, tetrahydrofuran THF, dioxane, dimethyl ethane, DMO, dimethyl ether of diethyl glycol, tertiary amines, etc., can also be used as solvent. In fact, THF is considered to be the best solvent since it increases the reactivity of an alkyl or aryl halide towards magnesium. It is because of this reason that the Grignard reagent of less reactive aryl and vinyl halides, which are difficult to prepare in ether, are prepared in THF. Bromobenzene plus magnesium in presence of dry ether form phenyl magnesium bromide. Chlorobenzene plus Mg in presence of THF form phenyl magnesium chloride. Vinyl chloride in presence plus Mg in presence of THF or heat form vinyl magnesium chloride. Further, it has been found that for a given alkyl group, the age of formation of Grignard reagent is of the order iodide, bromide, chloride. The alkyl or aryl magnesium fluorides are, however, unknown. For a given hal- halogen atom, the order of reactivity is CH3x, C2H5x, C3H7x, etc. That is, the formation of Grignard reagent becomes increasingly difficult with increase in the number of carbon atoms in the alkyl group. The use of tertiary alkyl iodides is avoided since they readily lose a molecule of hydrogen iodide to form an alkene. Tertiary alkyl chloride may then be used. Procedure for the preparation of Grignard reagent. Alkyl or aryl halide is added slowly to a perfectly clean and dry flask containing dry magnesium turnings covered by a layer of absolutely dry ether or THF. The reaction mixture is warmed a little when an exothermic reaction should soon start. If the reaction does not start within 5 minutes, a few crystals of iodine are added and the reaction mixture is warmed a little. A vigorous reaction soon sets in and magnesium gradually dissolves, forming a cloudy solution of the Grignard reagent. Precaution in the preparation of Grignard reagent. During the preparation of Grignard reagent, the following precaution must be observed. Number 1. The apparatus should be perfectly dry and protected from moisture by using a CaCl2 guard tube. Number 2. All the reagent and solvents, that is alkyl or aryl halide, magnesium, metal and ether, must be absolutely dry. Number 3. Ether used as solvent must be completely free from alcohol. This can be done by first washing ether several times with water, followed by drying over anhydrous CaCl2 for 1 to 2 days and subsequent distillation over sodium. Number 4. An atmosphere of dry nitrogen should be maintained throughout the course of the reaction. These precautions are necessary since Grignard reagents are decomposed by moisture and react with oxygen and carbon dioxide to form alcohol and carboxylic acid respectively. The ethereal solution of Grignard reagent thus obtained is generally used as such for various reactions by adding to it to other reagent. Mechanism. The mechanism of the formation of Grignard reagent is still not certain according to Gomberg and Beckmann 1930. The reaction commences with the formation of a small amount of magnesium halide and then proceed by a free radical mechanism. Rx plus Rmg plus Xr to form Rr plus Mgx2. Mgx2 plus Mg form 2Mgx. Rx plus Mgx free radical form R free radical plus Mgx2. R free radical plus Mg free radical X to form RMgX. This mechanism also elegantly explains the initiating effect of the iodine, which may be ascribed to the formation of magnesium iodide from magnesium and iodine. Structure of Grignard reagent. The structure of Grignard reagent has not been finally settled so far. The recent research has shown that the actual structure varies with the particular Grignard reagent and the solvent used for its preparation. Grignard observed that evaporation of ethereal solution of Grignard reagent resulted in a white solid having the composition RMgX.2 C2H5 whole twice O. They suggested that ether molecules were present at ether of crystallization. X-ray analysis of these dietherates suggests that the four groups are arranged tetrahedrally, as shown. Thus, Formula 1 suggests that ether does not merely provide a medium for the reaction but it also helps to dissolve the Grignard reagent formed due to solvation by ether molecule. This is supported by the observation that Grignard reagent can be prepared even in benzene solution in presence of tertiary amine which coordinate with magnesium like ether and thus dissolves it. Further, Formula 1 shows the Grignard reagent in the monomeric form, but physical studies have revealed that Grignard reagent exists as 1:1 complex of a dialkyl or diaryl magnesium and magnesium halide coordinates with molecule of ether. These two species are held together by halogen bridges as shown in Formula 2. R2Mg.Mgx2 in equilibrium, R2Mg plus Mgx2 in equilibrium with 2Mgx, Grignard reagent. However, for the sake of convenience, the formula RMgx has been used to represent alkyl magnesium halide in the text. Reactions of Grignard reagent. The carbon magnesium bond in Grignard reagent is highly polar due to larger electronegativity difference between carbon and magnesium. Consequently, due to greater electron density around carbon, the alkyl group in Grignard reagent can act as a carbanion or a nucleophile, that is, it attack any electron deficient center in the other molecule. In other words, Grignard reagent undergo nucleophilic substitution or nucleophilic addition reaction. Number 1, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Grignard reagent react with compound containing an active hydrogen or halogen atom. All such reaction involve the nucleophilic attack of the alkyl group of the Grignard reagent on the electron deficient center as shown. Number 2, nucleophilic addition reaction. Grignard reagent react with compound having a multiple bond such as CO, C double bond S, C triple bond N, S double bond O, etc. to form addition product which when hydrolyzed yield a vast variety of compounds. In all such reactions, the addition of the nucleophilic group of RMgx, that is R negative, occurs at the more electropositive and that of MgX group at the more electronegative atom of the multiple bond. Synthetic uses of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents serve as extremely valuable starting material for the synthesis of a vast variety of organic compounds. They have attained a position in synthetic organic chemistry unrivaled by any other class of compound. To illustrate this, some important synthetic applications of Grignard reagent are described below. Number 1, alkanes. A. By action with active hydrogen containing compounds. Active hydrogen containing compounds such as water, alcohol, thioalcohol, carboxylic acid, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, amines, terminal alkynes, etc. react with Grignard reagent to form an alkane corresponding to the alkyl or the aryl group of the Grignard reagent. RMgX plus HB gives RH plus MgBX, where B is OH, OR, SR, OCOR, NH2, NHR, NR2, etc. For example, methyl magnesium iodide plus water gives methane plus MgOHI. Since methane is evolved quantitatively when CH3MgI is treated with compounds containing active hydrogens, therefore these reactions can be used for estimation of OH, NH2, SH group in organic compound. The method employed is called Zaryvitinov's method. Aryl magnesium halide also behave in a similar manner. Phenyl magnesium bromide plus HOH gives benzene plus MgOHBr. B. By action with reactive alkyl halide, Grignard reagent react with reactive alkyl halides such as T-butyl chloride, benzyl chloride, etc. to form alkenes. Grignard reagent plus alkyl halide gives alkene plus MgX2. Example, methyl magnesium iodide plus tert butyl chloride in presence of dry ether gives neopentane plus MgClI. Ethyl magnesium bromide plus benzyl chloride in presence of dry ether gives 1-phenyl propane plus MgClBr. Second, alkenes. Grignard reagent being weak nucleophiles do not react with simple alkyl halide. However, compound containing more reactive halogens such as allyl, iodide, etc. react with them giving alkenes. For example, allyl iodide plus CH3MgI gives CH2CH, CH2CH3 plus MgI2. Number 3, alkynes. Grignard reagent react with terminal alkynes forming alkyl alkynyl Grignard reagent which upon treatment with alkyl halide give higher alkyne. For example, propine plus CH3 MgI gives propionyl magnesium iodide plus methane CH4. Primary alcohol A. By action with ethylene oxide followed by hydrolysis, Grignard reagent react with ethylene oxide to form addition product which on hydrolysis with dilute hydrochloric acid form primary alcohol containing 2 carbon atom more than the alkyl halide. Ethylene oxide plus Grignard reagent gives addition product which on hydrolysis gives 1 degree alcohol plus MgOH. For example, ethyl magnesium bromide plus CH2OCH2 gives addition product which on hydrolysis gives 1 butanol plus MgOH. B. By action with formaldehyde followed by acid hydrolysis, when treated with formaldehyde, Grignard reagent forms an adduct which on hydrolysis with dilute hydrochloric acid gives a primary alcohol. Formaldehyde plus Grignard reagent gives addition product which on hydrolysis give 1 degree alcohol plus MgOH. C. By action with oxygen, primary alcohol are formed by passing dry oxygen through the solution of a Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis of the resulting addition product. RMgX plus half O2 gives ROMgX which on hydrolysis gives ROH plus OMgOH. Example, N-propyl magnesium bromide plus half O2 gives CH3CH2CH2O MgBr which on hydrolysis gives N-propyl alcohol plus MgOH. Number 5. Secondary alcohol. By action with aldehyde other than formaldehyde followed by action acid hydrolysis. Acetaldehyde in presence of CH3 MgI gives CH3CH3O MgI which on hydrolysis gives isopropyl alcohol 2 degree alcohol. B. By treating an excess of Grignard reagent with ethyl formate, the reaction takes place in 2 steps. Grignard reagent first react with ethyl formate to form an aldehyde which in turn react with another molecule of Grignard reagent to yield an adduct which form a secondary alcohol on hydrolysis. Ethyl formate plus Grignard reagent gives addition product which is unstable and give aldehyde which on react with RMgX give HCCHRROMgX which on hydrolysis gives 2 degree alcohol. Number 6. Tertiary alcohol. By action with ketones followed by hydrolysis. Ketones in presence of R-MgX gives CRRR-OMgX which on hydrolysis gives 3 degree alcohol. Second, a tertiary alcohol have at least 2 similar alkyl group may be prepared by the interaction between an ester other than formic ester and an excess of Grignard reagent. The reaction proceeds in 2 steps. Ester plus Grignard reagent gives unstable product which gives ketone. When ketone react with RMgX gives CRRR-OMgX which on hydrolysis gives 3 degree alcohol plus MgOH. Number 3. By reaction with acid chloride and anhydride, Grignard reagent 2 moles react with acid chloride or anhydride 1 mole to give addition product which upon acid hydrolysis give tertiary alcohol. The reaction takes place in 2 stages. Acid chloride plus Grignard reagent gives unstable product which gives R-COR which gives in presence of RMgX gives 3 degree alcohol. Number 7. Ethers. Grignard reagent react with lower halogenated ethers to yield higher ethers. Monochloromethyl ether plus CH3MgI gives ethyl methyl ether plus MgICl. Number 8. Aldehyde. A. When a Grignard reagent is treated with ethyl formate, an aldehyde is formed. However, with excess of Grignard reagent, the product obtained is secondary alcohol. Ethyl formate plus RMgX, which on hydrolysis gives aldehyde plus MgOC2H5X. B. Aldehyde are obtained in a better yield if ethyl orthoformate is employed instead of ethyl formate. This is so since the formation of acetal in this case prevents the formation of secondary alcohol. Ethyl orthoformate gives acetal, which on hydrolysis ethyl orthoformate in presence of RMgX gives acetal, which gives aldehyde in presence of hydrolysis. C. Aldehyde may also be obtained by the interaction between a Grignard reagent and hydrogen cyanide followed by hydrolysis by the adduct formed. Hydrogen cyanide plus Grignard reagent gives addition product, which on hydrolysis gives aldehyde plus MgOHX. Ninth, ketones. A. By treatment with alkyl cyanide followed by acid hydrolysis, for example, acetonitrile or methyl cyanide plus CH3CH2 MgBr, CH3C, CH2CH2 double bond and MgBr, which on hydrolysis gives ethyl methyl ketone or 2-butanone plus MgOHBr. B. By action with acid chloride, as discussed, equimolar amount of a Grignard reagent and an acid chloride give an addition product which form ketone on hydrolysis. If Grignard reagent is used in excess, tertiary alcohol are obtained as ultimate product of the reaction. Acid chloride, which in presence of R-MgX gives ketones, which gives 3-degree alcohol on hydrolysis Number 10. Monocarboxylic acid. Grignard reagent interact with dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide, to form addition product which on acid hydrolysis gives monocarboxylic acid. Grignard reagent plus carbon dioxide gives addition product which on hydrolysis gives monocarboxylic acid plus MgOHX. 11. Esters. By action with ethyl chloroformate, equimolar amount of a Grignard reagent and ethyl chloroformate react together to form higher esters. Ethyl chloroformate plus Grignard reagent gives unstable product which gives higher ester plus MgXCl. 12. Thigh alcohol. Grignard reagent react with sulfur to give an addition product which gives a thigh alcohol on hydrolysis. RMgX plus S gives addition product which on hydrolysis gives thigh alcohol plus MgOHX. 13. Phenol. Aryl magnesium halide react with oxygen to form addition product which upon hydrolysis gives phenol. Phenyl magnesium bromide plus half O2 in presence of dry ether gives phenoxy magnesium bromide, which on hydrolysis gives phenol. 14th. Alkyl cyanide. By interaction of Grignard reagent and cyanogen chloride or cyanogen, RMgX plus cyanogen chloride gives alkyl cyanide plus MgXCl. Excess of Grignard reagent is avoided since it will react further with alkyl cyanide to yield ketones. 15th. Primary amines. Grignard reagent react with chloroamine to form primary amines. RMgX plus NH2Cl gives RNH2 plus MgXCl. Reasonable yields of primary amine is obtained only with Grignard reagent containing third alkyl group. Primary amine can also be prepared in satisfactory yields by the action of Grignard reagent on O-methyl hydroxylamine. Alkyl magnesium chloride plus O-methyl hydroxylamine, which further on hydrolysis gives 1-degree amine plus MgOHCl. 16th. Sulfenic acid. On passing sulfur dioxide into a well-cooled solution of Grignard reagent, an acidic addition product is obtained which on hydrolysis gives sulfenic acid. Sulfur dioxide plus Grignard reagent gives addition product which on hydrolysis gives sulfenic acid. 17th. Dithionic acids. These are prepared by the action of Grignard reagent with carbon disulfide followed by acid hydrolysis. Carbon disulfide plus Grignard reagent gives addition product which on hydrolysis gives dithionic thioic acid plus MgOHX. 16th, organometallic compound. Grignard reagent and inorganic halide interact with each other, resulting in the formation of other organometallic compound. 2C2H5 MgBr plus HgCl2 gives diethyl mercury plus 2 MgBrCl. Abnormal addition of Grignard reagent. Number 1. Addition of hindered ketones. Addition of hindered ketones. If the Grignard reagent or the ketone containing branches at the alpha carbon, sometimes the usual addition reaction does not occur due to steric hindrance. Instead, reduction occurs in which a hydride ion is transferred from the Grignard reagent to the ketone through a six-membered cyclic transition state in a manner similar to Mirwin-Pondorf-Verley MPV reduction. For example, when isopropyl magnesium bromide is added to diisopropyl ketone, the expected 3-degree alcohol, that is triisopropyl carbinol, is not formed. Instead, the secondary alcohol diisopropyl carbinol is obtained by reduction of the keto group. Isopropyl magnesium bromide diisopropyl ketone gives propene plus CH3 2 CH OMGBr CH3 2, which on hydrolysis gives diisopropyl carbinol. Second, addition to alpha beta unsaturated compound. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound react with Grignard reagent to give 1,2 and 1,2 as addition across CO bond and 1,4 addition across CC bond product. The orientation of addition is often controlled by steric factor. In general, substitution at the carbonyl group favor 1,4 addition, while substitution at the double bond favors 1,2 addition. For example, 1,2,3 triphenyl prop 2 in 1 on, which on reaction with phenyl magnesium bromide and which on hydrolysis gives 1,2,3,3 tetraphenyl propane 1 on. In most cases, both products are formed, but alpha-beta unsaturated aldehyde nearly always gives exclusively 1,2 addition product when treated with Grignard reagent. However, the extent of 1,4 addition of Grignard reagent can be increased by carrying out the reaction in presence of cuprous chloride or cupric acetate, etc. This is called conjugation addition and probably occur by a free radical mechanism. Limitations of Grignard synthesis. Grignard reagents suffer from the following limitations. Number 1. Grignard reagents are sensitive to moisture, oxygen and carbon dioxide and hence must be protected from them. This makes the handling of Grignard reagent difficult. Number 2. Grignard reagent can't be prepared from alkyl halide containing other reactive functional group such as OH, SH, NH2, COH, SO2, CHO, CO, COOR, CN, etc. Since they all are react with them. Only alkyl halide containing a few other groups such as R, OR, AR, X, etc. can be used to form Grignard reagent. Number 3. Generally, branching of the carbon chain near the functional group prevents reaction, probably due to steric hindrance. For example, CH3-MgBr or CH3-MgI does not react with ditert butyl ketone, that is CH3 thrice CCOC CH3 thrice. Similarly, if the Grignard reagent containing large alkyl group, the reaction is sometimes prevented again due to steric hindrance. For example, isopropyl methyl ketone react with CH3-MgI but not with dirt butyl magnesium chloride. Fourth, compound which are capable of anodization liberate hydrogen with Grignard reagent. For example, ethyl acetoacetate gives enol foam, which on reaction with CH3-MgI gives CH3COMgI CHCOOC2H5 plus CH4. 5. Nitro compound can't be used in Grignard synthesis since they oxidize the Grignard reagent. Despite the above limitation, Grignard reagent are still the most important tools in organic synthesis. Organozinc compounds. Although organozinc compound of the type R2Zn are not commonly used in organic synthesis, they are particularly used when milder reagents are used. 2.3.1 Methods of formation. Following methods have been used for the formation of organozinc compounds. Number 1, from alkyl halide. Alkyl iodide react with zinc copper couple in high boiling ether to form alkyl zinc iodide, which upon subsequent distillation in an atmosphere of CO2 undergo disproportionation to give dialkyl zinc chloride. Ri plus Zn gives RZnI, which on reaction with CO2 distillation gives dialkyl zinc plus Zni2. Number 2, from organo aluminium compound. Treatment of trialkyl aluminium with zinc chloride gives dialkyl zinc compound. ZnCl2 plus triethyl aluminium gives diethyl zinc plus 2C2H5 twice AlCl. This method forms the basis of laboratory preparation of these compounds. Physical properties. Dialkyl zinc compound have linear geometry due to sp hybridization of zinc atom. They are non-polar, low boiling liquid or low melting solid, soluble in organic solvent. Thus lower zinc compound are highly inflammable in air and hence are usually prepared and used under CO2 atmosphere. 2.3.3 Chemical reactions. The chemical reaction of organozinc compound are similar to those of the Grignard reagent, with the only difference that they are less reactive. For example, they do not react with CO2 and react only slowly with cyanide, ketones and esters. Some important chemical reaction of dialkyl zinc compound are discussed below. Number 1, reaction with water. They readily react with water forming alkenes. R2Zn plus H2O gives RH plus RZn OH OH ZnR. Number 2, reaction with dialkyl. Reaction with alkyl halide. Dialkyl zinc compound do not react with 1 degree 2 degree alkyl halide. They react only with 3 degree alkyl halide to form alkanes containing a quaternary carbon atom. Tert butyl chloride plus dimethyl zinc gives neopentane plus CH3ZnCl. Number 3, reaction with acid chloride. They react readily with acid chloride to form ketone. For example, diethyl zinc plus acetyl chloride gives butanone. Ketones are obtained in good yield because dialkyl zinc compound reacts very slowly with them. Number 3, Reformatsky reaction. When an alkyl halide or a ketone is added to the solution of an alpha haloester in presence of zinc, or organozinc compound is first formed, which then adds to the carbonyl group in a manner similar to the Grignard reagent to form a beta hydroxy ester. This reaction is called Reformatsky reaction and is a very useful method for preparing beta hydroxy ester acid and their derivative. For example, ethyl bromoacetate plus Zn gives organozinc compound. Iodomethylene zinc iodide. Iodomethylene zinc iodide is an important organozinc compound and is obtained by the action of Zn and Cu couple on methylene iodide. CH2I2 plus Zn gives iodomethylene zinc iodide. It reacts with olefin to form cyclopropane derivative. Olefin plus CH2Zni gives cyclopropane derivative plus Zni2. This reaction is called Simmons-Smith reaction and is very used for the preparation of cyclopropane derivative. The addition occur in a stereospecific sign manner according to the following concerted mechanism. Cystobutene plus CH2Zni gives transition state, which gives cis-1 to dimethyl cyclopropane. Organolithium compound. Compound in which lithium atom is directly bonded to a carbon atom are called organolithium compound. For example, methyl lithium, ethyl lithium, and butyl lithium, phenyl lithium. Organolithium compound are more reactive than Grignard reagent and also undergo a few addition useful reaction. Therefore, they are widely used in organic synthesis these days. Formation of alkyl lithium. Number 1, by reaction of an alkyl halide with lithium. Alkyl lithium are generally prepared by treating an alkyl halide with lithium in hexane, benzene, or any other hydrocarbon solvent at low temperature in an inert atmosphere of nitrogen or argon. Rx plus 2Li gives R Li plus Lix. For the preparation of alkyl lithium hydrocarbon solvent are preferred over ether since the use of ether not only encourages Wood's reaction but also react with it. Diethyl ether plus N-butyl ether gives butane plus CH3 CHLiO CH2 CH3 which gives ethylene. Number 2, by metal-metal exchange, alkyl lithium can be readily prepared by the replacement of one metal by another. For example, diethyl mercury plus 2Li gives ethyl lithium plus Hg. Chemical reaction of alkyl lithiums. The Cli bond is more polar and than Cmg bond. Therefore, alkyl lithium are more reactive than the Grignard reagent. Except a few differences, their chemical behavior is similar to that of the Grignard reagent. Some of their important chemical reactions are discussed below. Number 1, resemblance with Grignard reagent. They resemble Grignard reagent in most of their reaction. Some of these reactions are: number 1, formation of hydrocarbons. Like Grignard reagent, they react with compounds containing active hydrogen to form the corresponding hydrocarbons. For example, methyl lithium plus HOH gives methane plus LiOH. Number 2, formation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. A. Primary alcohol by action with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde plus alkyl lithium gives addition product which on hydrolysis gives 1 degree alcohol plus LiOH. Like Grignard reagent, alkyl lithium compound also react with ethylene oxide to form primary alcohol containing 2 carbon atom more than the starting alkyl or aryl halide. Phenyl lithium plus ethylene oxide which on hydrolysis gives 2-phenyl ethanol. B. Secondary alcohol by action with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Acetaldehyde plus CH3Li which on further hydrolysis gives isopropyl alcohol plus LiOH. C. Tertiary alcohol by action with ketone. Acetone plus CH3Li in presence of hexane which on further hydrolysis gives tert butyl alcohol 3 degree. Number 3, formation of ethers by action with monochloroether. Monochloromethyl ether plus CH3Li gives ethyl methyl ether plus LiCl. Number 4, formation of aldehyde by action with ethyl orthoformate or hydrogen cyanide. Number 1, hydrogen cyanide plus CH3Li gives acetaldehyde which on hydrolysis gives acetaldehyde plus NH3 plus LiOH. Number 5, formation of ketone by action with any orthoester or other than orthoformic ester or alkyl cyanide. For example, ethyl orthoacetate which gives on further hydrolysis gives acetone plus C2H5OH. Number 6, formation of nitriles by action with cyanochloride CH3Li plus cyanogen chloride in presence of hexane gives acetonitrile plus LiCl. Number 1, reaction with alkyl halide. Alkyl lithium react with alkyl halide to form alkanes. For example, ethyl lithium plus CH3Br in presence hexane which gives propane plus LiBr. Number 7, reaction with aryl halide. Aryl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by elimination, addition or Benzyne mechanism. For example, orthofluoroanisole gives benzyne which on addition gives a 3-phenylanisole. In number 8, reaction with the heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by bimolar displacement mechanism. For example, pyridine gives a 2-phenylpyridine plus LiH. 2. Difference from Grignard reagent. Organolithium compound being more reactive than the Grignard reagent undergoes some additional reaction as discussed below. Number 1, action with carbon dioxide. Grignard reagent yield carboxylic acid with carbon dioxide while organolithium compound yields ketone. Carbon dioxide plus RLi gives ketone. This difference is due to the reason that organolithium compound are more strongly nucleophilic than Grignard reagent and thus react further with the intermediate resonance stabilization carboxylate anion giving ketones. Number 2, action with carboxylic acid. Alkyl lithium compound react with carboxylic acid yielding ketone as the main product. Grignard reagent on the other hand gives alkene corresponding to the alkyl group of the Grignard reagent. Benzoic acid gives acetophenone. 3. Addition to carbon-carbon double bond. Unlike Grignard reagent, organolithium compound add to simple alkene to give a mixture of compounds. The addition occur at high pressure. For example, RLi plus CH2CH2, which on which reaction with hexane gives RCH2CH2Li. Further reaction with CH2CH2 gives RCH2CH2CH2CH2Li, etc. Formation of tertiary alcohol. Number 4. Organolithium compound being more nucleophilic and smaller in size than the corresponding Grignard reagent add to sterically hindered ketone to form sterically hindered tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent on the other hand do not give such addition reaction. For example, isopropyl lithium adds to diisopropyl ketone to yield triisopropyl carbinol. Isopropyl lithium plus diisopropyl ketone in dihexane gives a triisopropyl carbinol. In contrast, when isopropyl magnesium bromide is added to the diisopropyl ketone, the expected tertiary alcohol is not formed. Instead, reduction of the ketone by the Grignard reagent occur to give diisopropyl carbinol and propylene. Number 5. Reaction with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Organolithium compound being more nucleophilic predominantly undergo 1,2 addition to alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, whereas Grignard reagent gives mainly 1,4 addition product. For example, benzyl acetone in presence of hexane gives unstable product which on hydrolysis gives a 2-methyl 4-phenyl but 3-ene-2-ol. Thank you.